You do want to line the pan with parchment paper, and you want to coat the pan with some butter and then place the parchment paper on top of that, and you are good to go. I hope you enjoy the recipe, and if you do try it, let me know. In a medium-sized bowl, whisk together a half a cup of unsalted butter melted, half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and a half a cup to 3/4 of a cup of monk fruit sweetener. Then, using a wooden spoon, add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 3 eggs. I didn't use 3 eggs because 2 eggs did not make the brownies moist enough. So use 3 eggs. Next, add a 1/4 teaspoon of pink Himalayan sea salt or Celtic sea salt, then half a cup of coconut flour and a teaspoon of baking powder or half a teaspoon of baking soda. Mix together very well, but don't overmix the batter because that can affect the texture of the brownies. Bake for about 30 minutes or 35 minutes until you use a toothpick or a fork to test.